Voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, I'm audible, guys. Now please check it. All of you get my voice on screen, guys. Now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please type in questions box, guys. You have already questions box with you. Please type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen. Am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you, guys? Guys, now type in questions box. Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, type in questions box. Type in questions box, guys. Please, all of you respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right. Good morning, guys. Right, sir. Right, and today, just I'm going to give some basic introduction part for Java programming language. Then after that, what exactly the content is available inside the Java programming language. Then after that, you are going to see what services we are providing behalf of Durgasoft and how we are planning for courses through our next schedule. That all the things here we are going to understand today. All right, sir. Now, anyway, forget about this document here. Forget about this document. Now, understand it. All of you now tell me Java is available in how many parts? And who has provided Java programming language? I think today you are coming for Java demonstration, right? Java content here, right? Java classes. Just directly I'm asking to you. Then what exactly the Java? Who has provided the Java? Then how many parts are available inside the Java? If you come for this point, in outside, everybody they are going to say that Java was provided by Sun Microsystems. That's right. Sun Microsystems is a company. It has provided Java programming language. Similar to how Oracle database was provided by Oracle Corporation, how Windows operating system was provided by Microsoft, how .NET was provided by Microsoft. In the same way, Java is a programming language that was provided by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems is a company. It has introduced Java programming language actually. But what happened later on after few versions of the Java? As of now, at present, the stable version in Java is Java 22nd version. Java 22nd version is the current version in Java. It was started with the 1.0 version to 1.22 version, 1.0 to 1.22 version. This is a total journey of the Java. From Java 1.0 version to Java 1.6 version, 1.0 to 1.6 version, Java was managed by Sun Microsystems. From 1.7 version onwards, the total Sun Microsystems has handover to Oracle Corporation. Means that Java 1.7 version onwards up to till the date, Java is maintained by Oracle Corporation. Java was born at Sun Microsystems, growing up with Oracle Corporation. This is a story here we have to understand about the Java programming language. All right, to Sun Microsystems or maybe in outside, If you ask the people, then how many parts are available in Java? If you think about it, no, then most of the people are saying that there are three parts inside the Java. What are the three parts inside the Java? First one is core Java, second one is advanced Java, third one is J2EE. In general, most of the people, everybody, they used to say that there are three parts in Java. First one is core Java, second one is advanced Java, and the third one is what there, J2EE. Okay, then people are giving that information. It's okay that we have to keep in our mind. Fine. But before going to learn Java programming language, first at least we have to understand what really the parts are available inside the Java. Whether the classification, what people are saying that in outside is right or wrong, at least we have to analyze that. At least we have to confirm that. Right. As part of that, in the very first point in my demo class, I'm confirming that whatever the classification on Java, we have learned it, we have seen it in outside, that is totally wrong classification. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE, that the type of classification and the terminology is also a totally a wrong terminology. It's a wrong classification. No, it is not good. Sun Microsystems has not provided that terminology. Fine. But what Sun Microsystems has provided? Sun Microsystems has provided what? If we come for this point, now I'm going to give some clarity about the terminology what Sun Microsystems has given. That Sun Microsystems has provided three parts in Java. They are not like core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE. They are like what there, J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Tell me what exactly the three parts inside the Java: J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Right. And small information to all of you know. This is demo class actually. That's why I already have some pre-scripted document for a demo class. Already that document is available. I'm going to explain that. But in every class, I used to type the content. Every explanation I'm going to keep, I'm going to type it on the document here. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to see total everything. I'm going to type live document. I'm going to prepare the document on live. But today only demo class. So many things I have to explain there. That's why already the demo content I prepared it now that I'm going to explain clearly, understand it clearly. Okay, it's not purely technical, but somewhat information here I'm telling you. All right, sir. Leave this one. Coming to the point here, how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, then what next one? J2ME. All right. Okay, sir. Good. Three parts are available in Java. What is J2SE actually? What it is providing now? What you are thinking about the J2SE? If we come for this point here, I'm going to give some clarity. Now observe carefully. What is this J2SE actually? If you understand this point here, now I'm going to give some clarity. Understand it clearly. What is the meaning of the J2SE now? Points are very much clear. Right. Understand my explanation here now. J2SE is what there, Java 2 standard edition. J2SE is what there, Java 2 standard edition. Abbreviation. J2SE is what there, Java 2 standard edition. Understand it clearly. This is the meaning of like what there, J2SE. Alright, clear. Okay, Java 2 standard edition, I'm understanding that. But what is the purpose of it? What it will provide to us? What J2SE will provide to us? Right. J2SE will provide only fundamentals of Java. J2SE will provide only what there? Fundamentals of Java. Understand it clearly. What I'm telling you, J2SE will provide only fundamentals of Java. Right, sir. Only what we are able to get here, fundamentals of Java. That's nice. Fundamentals only here we are able to get. That means basics only. Say for example, I want to construct a building. What I want to construct? No, a building I want to construct. That is my requirement. If you want to construct a building, first of all, we have to gather all the resources or not? We have to gather some resources here. Can you tell me what resources here I have to gather now? What exactly the resources here I have to gather now? Tell me. Come on. What resources here I have to gather now? I have to gather number of resources. What number of resources here we have to gather there? Maybe sand. No, then after this, what next one here? Apart from the sand, no. What next one here? Sand. Apart from the sand, what next one? Come on. What next one? Bricks. Before that, some space. Then after this, iron, some manpower, water. These many resources here we have to get. Am I right or not? Fine, clear. Out of all these resources, listen carefully. I need to gather all the resources at a single location. Then I need to take one space. There I have to prepare some foundation. I get my point on it. There I'm going to prepare what there? Some foundation. A strong foundation is required. If the foundation is weak, what is going to be happen? For constructing the building is going to be collapsed or not? The strong foundation is required. Now, what J2SE is providing for us, gathering all the resources at a single location and providing foundation part only, J2SE will take the responsibility. Constructing building is nothing but preparing an enterprise application. But to prepare an enterprise application, we need some basics. Some basic components we require. The strong foundation is required. That foundation is covered by what there? J2SE. That's it. So that is the reason why J2SE is providing like what there? Only foundation part here. Right, so standard edition, Java 2 standard edition. It's okay. Java 2 standard edition. What next one here I'm telling there? What it will cover there? Only fundamentals of the Java only it is able to cover. Fine. I think you understood what is J2SE, what it will provide. J2SE will not provide the complete application development. J2SE will provide only gathering the resources, gathering the fundamental components, and preparing foundation. Up to that only the J2SE will provide that. Clear? Fine. Listen carefully. Once if I have a foundation, once if I have a foundation, I can construct a small shed, a small hut I can construct on the base of the foundation. If you don't like that hut, a small hut, I can construct a one-stair building with a concrete slab. Maybe I can construct like what there, then 10-stair building I can construct. No. Yes, sir, got my point or not? If once we have foundation there, I can prepare a small hut or not. I can prepare one-stair building or not. I can prepare 10-stair building or not. Anything is possible here. Now understand it clearly. By using these fundamentals of the Java, I can prepare a small hut. Small hut. That small hut is nothing but what? Standalone application. Yes, sir. Once the foundation is ready, it's very simple to get what there? Some small hut. Got it or not? Some iron sheets we are going to take there. Through the iron sheets, I can prepare what there? Small hut. Understand it now? So the point is what? By using fundamentals of the Java, by using the fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare standalone applications. I can prepare what there? Standalone applications. Now I have a question. What is the standalone application? What is the meaning of the standalone application? Right. Very simple. Try to understand it clearly. If we design and execute any application within a single computer, in a single computer, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application what we prepared in a single computer, that application is called what? A standalone application. Tell me guys, what is standalone application? If we prepare and execute any application in a single computer without distributing application logic over multiple machines, without using client server architecture, then that application is called what? A standalone application. Yes sir, I'll forget my point or not? That means what's the point about the standalone application? Application in a single computer, application in single computer without client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple machines. That's it. Without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then the type of applications are called as what? They're standalone applications. Guys, now please confirm to me all of you are getting clarity on these statements, what exactly the points I'm telling there. All of you are getting clarity on these points now, what I am giving. Now tell me again, I'm asking there, what is standalone application? What is standalone application? If you prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called what there? Standalone application. The complete scope of the standalone application is in a single computer. In a single computer, the total application is going to be available. This is exactly the meaning of like what there? Standalone application. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not? We can compile the program in a single computer. We can execute the program in the same computer. We can provide input data to the program in the same computer. We can get the output data from the program in the same computer. Everything, anything about that program is going to be happen in a single computer. That type of application is called as what there? Standalone application. Please, all of you, repeat along with me now. Tell me first of all, what is J2SE? Java 2 standard edition. What it will provide? Fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, what applications we will prepare? Standalone application. What is that standalone application? Application is single computer without client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Then it is what there? A standalone application. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? Clear. So this is about like what there? J2SE. Good, sir. Now, sir, you said to me standalone applications we are able to prepare. Can you tell me examples for standalone applications now? And outside so many applications are available. Can you tell me any example for standalone application now? So many examples are available. Observe carefully. The first one is this is my laptop. This is my computer. There, calculator is available, sir. Calculator is one of the example I'm telling there. Calculator. Now tell me how this calculator is running. If I open calculator in my current system, in my laptop there, the total calculator program is running in the single computer or not? It doesn't require client server architecture. It doesn't require distributed environment. It doesn't require like distribution of the logic over multiple machines. Even it doesn't require internet connection. It doesn't require even what their internet connection. Am I right or not? So this is exactly the meaning of like what their calculator application. So calculator is the best example for what their standalone application. Next one is calendar is available in our computer. What is available here? Calendar. Now tell me, what about this calendar? No, the calendar is available inside my laptop. No, that's just a standalone application. Why? Because it doesn't require even internet connection. It doesn't require client server architecture. Its logic is not available over multiple machines. Its logic totally available in a single computer. That calculator or calendar programs are running in a single computer. So this is exactly the meaning of like what there a standalone application. Like this, so many applications are available. So many applications are available. Okay, fine. Good. But still I have one question now. Sir, you are saying that J2SC, it's okay, fine. I understood that all the points, no? Even examples for the standalone applications also we have given that, that's okay. But tell me, how many applications are standalone applications in outside? What is the ratio for the standalone applications in outside? In outside all applications, if we take 100%, no? Out of this 100% of the applications, how much is the percentage for standalone applications? I want to know that. Now, if you come for this point, I'm giving clarity. 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Only how many applications are standalone applications, guys? Now tell me. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Out of 100% of the applications, only what there? 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Okay, fine, sir. Now, once you are saying this point now, only 5% of the applications are standalone applications now, I can give clarity. It's a direct utilization. It's a direct utilization is only 5%. The J2SC direct utilization is what there? 5%. But its a dependency level is a 1000%. The direct utilization is only what? 5%. But its a dependency level is what there? 1000%. Sir, what is this mathematics actually? The 5% and 1000%. No. I'm giving clarity. Now try to understand it now. In application development, J2SE direct use is only 5%, but it is a dependent programming language. It's a dependent programming language for so many technologies. What technologies are available here we can understand. It's a dependent programming language for what there J2EE. It's a dependent programming language for what there like what there Android. Android is a mobile application development. You know already that. Android is also one of the technology for Android. It is a dependent programming language. Next one is what there? It is a dependent programming language for what there? Salesforce. Salesforce at present is one of the technology for the sake of reporting or maybe some other purpose. Salesforce is one of the technology. Next one is what there? Selenium. Selenium is available testing tool. No? That is also designed on the top of like what there? This particular J2S key. Next one is what? After completion of this, it is a dependent programming language like what there? SAP tools, SAP related technologies, Hadoop or maybe like some other SAP related things now. It's a dependent programming language for what there? Hadoop, big data analysis. Big data analysis, Hadoop is available like this, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So many examples here we are able to take. Directly or indirectly, it is a dependent programming language for 99% of the software products in outside. 99% of the software products are dependent on what their J2SE, either directly or indirectly. Because of that reason, I'm telling there clearly, its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on this point, guys? What I'm telling you, know? Right. So now, finally, now tell me, what is J2SE? Java 2 standard edition. By using this JDSC, what we are able to get? Fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, what we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is standalone application? Application in a single computer without client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple missions. Without distributing application logic over what there? Multiple missions. Right, sir. Now, next one is what are the examples for it now? Calculator, calendar, paintbrush, and so on and so on and so on. How many applications are standalone applications now? 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Okay. JTSC direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there? 1000%. Right, sir. It's a dependent programming language for what? J2EE, Android, Salesforce, Selenium, SAP tools, and so on, and Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. So many things are available. This is exactly the information about like what there J2SE. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Now the same things here I provided here we can understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now just give a minute of time. Already I given the document for it and well prepared. The document already created to you. Now try to check this point here. Same points, whatever the points option I discussed here, that is available here in the document. Yes, sir. Got it or not? This is our original document for introduction part only, for a demo purpose only. Tomorrow onwards, I will prepare the document separately. I will give that link also. 100% document will be shared to all of you know. The live, automatically we can watch the document. We can see the document 24/7. But very good material I'm going to prepare inside the class itself. Live notes I'm going to provide. No need to take any running notes in my classes now. I'll prepare the document here. Right. This document also I prepared in the last batch in the class now. Right. It's okay, fine. Now let's move on to the J2EE. Is it? All of you okay? No? Let's move on to like what there? J2EE. Right, sir. Tell me, what is this J2EE actually? Similarly, we have to understand it clearly. J2EE. Right, sir. Now tell me, what is this J2EE actually? Tell me the abbreviation for J2SE. J2SE. Java 2 Standard Edition. Now what is this J2EE actually? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2EE is what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's the meaning of J2EE. Now tell me, sir, all of you now tell me what J2SE will provide. J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java. Am I right or not? But J2EE will provide server side programming. Come on, J2E will provide what there? Server side programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare standalone applications. By using fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare what type of applications? No, standalone applications. But by using J2EE, by using server-side programming, we are able to prepare distributed applications, or is also be called as like what their enterprise applications. Distributed applications are what their enterprise applications. Understand my point, Ken? All right, now tell me, what is standalone application? What is standalone application? Application is single computer without client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Am I right or not? But what is distributed application? What is an enterprise application? If we come for this point now, application with client server architecture, application with what there? Client server architecture, and distributing application logic over multiple machines. Application with the client server architecture and distributing application logic what there over multiple machines. This is called as what there? Distributed application. I'll show diagrammatic representation also, no need to worry for it. This is exactly the meaning of like what there? Distributed application. Right, sir. Good. That's okay, fine. Standalone applications we have seen. Some examples already we have seen. Am I right or not? Where how many applications are standalone applications? No, 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. But here, how many applications are distributed applications actually? Overall, how many applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Right, sir. Now tell me some examples for these distributed applications. No, you said to me 95% of the applications. No, really I'm telling there, in every domain, in every platform, in every vertical, distributed applications are available. Example I'm telling there, all banking applications are what they're distributed applications. Nice. All banking applications are what they're distributed applications. All social network applications or social media or social network applications are what they're distributed applications. My point clearly. Next one is after completion of this, all e-commerce applications are what they're distributed applications. Next one is what there after completion of this, all healthcare applications are what they're distributed applications only. All transportation applications are what they're distributed applications only. What not? Everywhere, in every platform, we are able to see like what they're distributed applications. Yes, I'll forget my point or not. Just some of the examples only I given there. In our regular day-to-day life, every minute distributed applications are associated in our life, part of our life. Yeah, every time we open that mobile phone where we are using WhatsApp now, distribute application. We used to order some food items at Swiggy or Zomato now, distribute application. And we are booking some, might be some vehicles like what there, Rapido or maybe like what there. Next one is Uber or maybe Ola. These are like what there, distribute applications. So it's a part of our life. Everywhere, in every platform, we are having what there, distribute application. That's the reason why I said to you, 95% of the applications are what there, distributed applications. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? These are the details about like what their distributed application. Right, sir. Now, understand it clearly. What exactly the points I have given there about the distributed applications? J2EE or Java EE. J2EE, Java EE. What's the abbreviation for J2EE or Java EE? Now tell me. It's like what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. It will provide server-side programming. By using J2EE, we are able to prepare what their distributed applications are, enterprise applications. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client-server architecture, and by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what there? A distributed application or an enterprise application. How many applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are what they're distributed application. So all these are like what they're distributed applications. Is it all of you are following or not? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. So what is the next point here? Third one is like what they now tell me, J to ME. It's okay, now all of you understand it clearly, J to ME. So what is this J to ME here? Understand this point clearly. J to ME abbreviation, Java to micro edition. What's the J to ME? Java to micro edition. Now tell me, all of you now tell me, what J2SE has provided? Fundamentals of the Java. What J2EE has provided? Server side programming. Am I right or not? Similarly, what J2ME has provided? J2ME has provided micro programming, chip level programming. Chips are available there, right? Chip level programming, micro programming. That's the main intention of like what there? J2ME. Nice. Fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, we can prepare distributed applications or enterprise applications. Similarly, by using this micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile applications. Come on, guys. By using micro programming, what type of applications we are able to prepare? No, mobile applications we are able to prepare. Am I right or not? By using J2ME, we are able to prepare what their mobile applications. All right. What is standalone application? An application without client server architecture. An application without distributing application logic over multiple machines. What is distributed application? An application with a client server architecture. An application on the basis of distributing application logic over multiple machines. Similarly, what is this mobile application? What's the meaning of this mobile application here? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. All right, sir. Now, if we design and execute any application on mobile hardware architecture, guys, if we run any application on the base of the mobile hardware architecture, then that application is what there? Mobile application. If we design and execute any application on the base of the mobile hardware architecture, then that application is like what there? Mobile application. Have I forget my point or not? Right, sir. Now, how many applications are mobile-based applications? No, I'm telling to you nowadays, 100% of the applications are like what there? Mobile-based applications only. 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile-based applications only. That's clear. All of you are getting clarity on this point now. How many applications are mobile-based applications? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile-based applications only. Can you tell me any example on these mobile-based applications? You know, I'm not going to list it out here, but I can give examples. Take your mobile phone. In your mobile phone, open your desktop, open your screen there. Whatever the icons you are identifying your mobile phone screen, every icon is representing one application. Examples, WhatsApp. Maximum WhatsApp we are using through mobile phone. If you click on that WhatsApp icon there, automatically application is open or not? How we got that WhatsApp application there? First of all, we have downloaded that WhatsApp manager from the internet that we installed here. That application we installed in our mobile phone or not? That is an app, mobile application there now. Facebook we want to open there. We used to open that mobile phone where Facebook icon is available or not. That Facebook icon is what there is representing mobile application now. If we touch that Facebook application there, automatically application is open where it is asking login credentials, username and password. If you open that username and password, home page of that Facebook we are able to get directly. Your account page is going to be open. Next one is like what there? Uber already installed here. We want to book an auto, for example. You want to book a car, for example, a cab we want to book there. Uber is an application, it is available already. Already we installed it. If we touch it now, automatically that Uber application is open and it starts its functionality directly. Not only that, Zomato, I want to give some food order there through my mobile phone. Zomato or maybe Swiggy, it's available there. If we touch that Swiggy icon in our mobile phone there, automatically Swiggy application is available everywhere nowadays, in every platform, in every vertical, in every sector, that mobile application is available there. For every organization, mobile application support is available. Right, might be you can take in a healthcare applications, mobile application support is available. And if you take like what the insurance related, mobile application support is available. And transportation domain there also be mobile application is available. Healthcare applications, already mobile application development is available. Like banking applications, banking sector, mobile application support is available. Am I right or not? So many See, like not only that, communication sector, there also be mobile application support is available. Everywhere, in every sector, mobile application development is available there clearly. Like this, we are able to have so many applications. All right, sir, that's okay. Then I'm able to give like what there. The same examples once again here I'm able to give about this mobile application development. Right, sir. This is okay, fine now. Then what next one here I'm preparing there after completion of this content here. How many applications are mobile based applications? No, 100% of the applications are mobile based applications. But I'm giving one small note. Try to understand this note, all of you know. Listen carefully. The point here, what I'm trying to say, mobile application development has very good demand, has very good demand. Still, mobile application development has very good demand, but J2ME has no demand. J2ME has no demand. J2ME is totally down in the sense like what they're almost all dead in the software sector in outside mobile application development. Due to the number of alternatives, due to the number of alternatives for preparing mobile applications. No? The moment when Android is coming into the picture, the moment when Android platform is coming into the picture, then automatically mobile application development through J2ME is getting down. Android is getting very good demand. Android is available, iPhone, Swift, iPhone technology. That means iOS or iPhone technologies are available. Like so many alternatives are available to prepare mobile applications. Because of that reason, that J2ME has totally down at present in outside. Even nobody is identified to learn J2ME. No jobs are offered on the basis of only what their JTME. If you know Android, some small, might be some jobs are available. If you know iPhone technology, definitely here we are able to have what their jobs in outside. But J2ME doesn't have any opportunities in outside here. Because of that reason, the people those who are coming from Java background, they are not aware about J2ME. They are able to they aware about like what there only J2SE and J2EE. Only two things, J2SE and J2EE. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? So these are the points here we can understand about our content here. Now try to observe carefully. The last one is like what there? What is the last one here we understood there? J2ME. Java 2 micro edition. It will provide micro programming. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. If we design and execute any application on the base of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called what there? Mobile based application. How many applications are mobile based applications? No. 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based application. Mobile based applications are having very good demand, but JTME is not having demand. Right, sir. Then after that, I given a diagram. This is standalone application. This is distributed application. Standalone application is available in a single computer, but distributed application is available at two computers, client application and server's application. Client mission, server side mission. Both the programs are executed. Client application will send request to the server application. Server application will send some response back to the client application. On this mode, that applications are going to be executed. That's it. Now, these are the three parts which are available in Java programming. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? Clear? Can I move forward? All of you are okay now? So basic introduction only. Just understand what exactly the parts are available in Java. What is the purpose of each and every part that we are going to understand clearly. It's okay, fine. So next one is after that, right, sir? Now coming to the content here, right? Put concentration on this diagram, no? All of you here. Put concentration on this diagram here. 2 minutes of time. Right. Right. Put more concentration here about this diagram. 2 minutes of time. For example, if you want to prepare a project, one more thing I'm telling to you, if we take 10 to 15 years back, how development is going on inside the companies now, I'll give some clarity. This is a project actually. I want to prepare this project there. So to prepare this project, we have to follow some life cycle. What life cycle here we have to follow there? Analysis, development, testing, production. Got it? What I'm telling there? First one is what there? Analysis. Next one is what there? Development. Next one is what there? Testing. Then what next one here? Production. Four phases are available in the preparation of project. in the process of preparing a project, software project. Analysis, who will perform this analysis? No, analysis team, a separate team is available. They will take care about it. High end people in the project architecture will involve in the analysis phase. But being the normal ordinary developer, we may not involve in that analysis part, just leave it. Okay, fine. Development part, if we take the development is divided into three parts again. What are the three parts? No, front end development, server side middleware application development, back end development. Come again. Front end development, server side middleware application development. Last one is what there? Back end development. What is this front end development? No, preparing web pages, login page, registration page, add form, search form, delete form, update form. Some pages we are going to prepare or not? That is nothing but what there? Front end. What is this server side middleware application development? No. For example, if you have a login page where if you enter username and password, if you click on login button, request will go to server side application. Application will take your username and password. Application will check whether this username and password is the right username and password. Then it will give home page to your respective client. So server side application is required or not? To take your data, to process your data, to give some response to the respective client. Some server side application is available. Am I right or not? That is server side middleware application. Backend in the sense some database is required. So for example, it is a registration page now. You entered your data, click on register button, request will go to the server side. At server side application will take your data. The data must be stored into the database or not? The data must be stored in a repository or not? So the database is nothing but what there? Backend. That the three parts are available here. First one is what there? Front end development. Second one is what there? Middleware application development. Last one is what there? Backend development. Right. To prepare this front end development, a set of technologies here we have to understand. What technologies we required? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular, React. These two are frameworks actually, Angular, React frameworks. But these are the basic UI technologies. Alright, so to prepare this middleware application development, you may have a number of options. What are the number of options? No, you may take Python. If you take Python as a middleware application development part there, core Python, advanced Python, Django or Flask, some kind of technologies we have to learn. If you take .NET as a middleware application development process there, like C Sharp.NET, ASP.NET, MVC frameworks are available that we have to understand. If you take Java as a middleware application technology, middleware application development technology, there we have to learn like what there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. This is a Java part. Backend development in the sense what tools we are going to use there? Oracle or maybe MySQL or maybe SQL Server depending on our technologies. Clear? Okay, when the development is completed, then we have to test the application or not? We have to test the application before delivering our product to the project to the client. Now we have to test it. For testing purpose, we are going to use a separate tool. The tool is what there? Selenium testing. Selenium is a tool we are going to use. After that, production in the sense what there? Submitting our project to the client. At a client home, we have to deploy the project. We have to monitor the project. We have to maintain the project. There is three things here we are going to do. Three things at production. What are the three things? No, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. Three things here we have to do there. Understand my point clear? So for deployment purpose, we are going to use one operating system. That operating system is what there? Linux operating system. Right, sir. In olden days, clients have maintained their own infrastructure of maintaining their project. But nowadays, clients are not bearing infrastructure cost, everything. Clients are giving that infrastructure maintenance and everything to some third party people. So for example, clients have, say for example, ICICI Bank has given a project to me. I prepared that project and I'm going to deploy that project. I'm going to monitor that project. But client is unable to maintain the total infrastructure for the enterprise application. That maintenance of the enterprise application, monitoring of the enterprise application, and providing infrastructure for this enterprise application, everything would be given to like what there? Some third party people. Who are the third party people there? Cloud providers. Who are the third party people? No, cloud providers. Who are the cloud providers nowadays in outside there? AWS is one of the cloud provider. Microsoft Azure is another cloud provider. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is another cloud provider. They are the topmost cloud providers there. So definitely we require what there? One cloud technology. So that's the reason why here we are having what there AWS. To perform deployment, to monitor and maintenance of the project, we are going to use a set of tools. To perform deployment, to perform monitoring and maintenance of the project, we are going to use a set of tools. That set of tools are called what there DevOps tools. The set of tools are called what there DevOps tools. Now this is the production environment. The software life cycle I've given there. 10 to 15 is back. If you observe the development in the companies now, how companies are maintaining their resources care, a separate team is assigned for what their front end development, where the members are 10 to 15 members in the team. 2 to 3 teams are working on middleware application development. Each team contains 10 to 15 members. Another team is working on what their back-end development. There also be 7 to 10 members are available. Another team is working on the top of what they're on what they're testing. There also be 7 to 10 members are available. Another team, operations team, will come into the picture for production. There also be might be 10 to 15 members team is available. And an average, if we check for it now, 7 to 8 number of teams are working for a single project. Each team contains an average 10 to 15 members. Nearly on an average 100 resources are working on this particular project on an average. 100 to 150 resources are working on a particular project. This is what happened 10 is back or 15 is back, how development is going on in the software companies. But there is a big problem with this particular approach. What is the problem with this particular approach here? Understand it clearly. When the project is in analysis part, what is the job for all the developers now? What is the status of each and every team here? When the project is in analysis part, that all the remaining teams are in vacant or not? Only analysis team will do work. Right, sir. When the project is in front end development, what is the responsibilities of? What is the status of the remaining developers? No, remaining teams. No, then they're not having any work. They're vacant. Am I right or not? When the project is in middleware application development, what is the status of all the remaining teams? No, they're also not having any work. They're also be vacant. Say for example, my company has only one project, not having multiple projects, only one project. When the project is in middleware application development, what is the team for backend, what is the team for front end, what is the work for these testing people there? No work here. They are vacant. When the project is in backend development, what is the status of the remaining developers? No, only one team may be working there, only testing team or backend team is working there. What is the status of the remaining team members there? They're not having any work now. If we do this process in the software application development, maximum at a time 10 to 15 members are working, all the remaining members are vacant, they are relaxed. They're not having any work, they are relaxed. Am I right or not? So it's a waste of the resources or not? That company is not utilizing their resources effectively or not? Company is not utilizing their resources effectively. Am I right or not? Then during these 10 years of time, all software companies have realized that they want to provide efficiency in the work environment. They want to maintain the resources efficiency. They want to utilize the resources effectively. They want to utilize the resources effectively. That's why what they are thinking now, right? They are going to recruit the people. They are going to hire the people. They must have knowledge on front end development, middleware application development, back end development, testing, and production. If any resource is available who has knowledge on all the areas of the project development, then that will be an advantage to the company or not? Understand my point here? No need to maintain 150 members team. No need to maintain 150 members there for completing this project. If the persons are like 10 members who has the knowledge on that front end development, middleware application development, back end development, testing and production, in every aspect, if 10 members are having knowledge, no, the same 10 members will prepare front end, same 10 members will involve in the middleware application development, the same 10 members will involve in back end development, the same 10 members will involve in what their testing, the same 10 members will involve in what their production. Understand my point here? For example, if one person is available in front end, another person is available in middleware application development, sync problems are going to be happen. Syncing is not going to be happen. Yes, sir, got my point or not? But if single person is doing the total work, no, then definitely there is a sync between all the phases of the software life cycle. There's also another advantage clearly. So if it is a case, no, 10 to 15 members are sufficient to complete our project instead of maintaining like what there 150 members. Am I right or not? And nowadays, every company is looking for the developer who has the knowledge on top to end. That means end to end project development. All phases of the software life cycle. If the developer is having knowledge, automatically the companies are going to recruit the developers only. Here the developer who has knowledge on all the phases of the software life cycle, that developer is called full stack developer. That developer is called what there? Full stack developer. If you're coming from Java background, full stack Java developer. If you're coming from .NET background, full stack .NET developer. If you're coming from Python background, full stack Python developer. As all of you are getting my point now, what is that? Who is that full stack developer? What is the who is that full stack Java developer? Have we got that information there? Okay, fine. Now, if you want to become as a full stack Java developer, what should be your skill set? If you want to become as a full stack Java developer, what should be our skill set? What we have to learn? What we need to have knowledge? If you want to become as a full stack Java developer, right now here I'm giving clarity. I'm giving a list of technologies. Just we need to have knowledge on all these technologies. So this part is totally what there Java. Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices and web services. Especially Spring Boot microservices is having very good demand. Nowadays, Spring Boot microservices is having what there very good demand. Still, Java side software industry is moving on the top of the Spring Boot and microservices only. Right, sir. Next one is the remaining part is what there non-Java. Without depending on Java, we are going to learn it. Oracle backend, basic UI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. Right, Angular or React.js, either of this one. But React.js is having demand when compared with Angular. We can skip that Angular, no problem. Next one is what the Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. Linux, AWS, and DevOps for the sake of production environment. Definitely, we should have knowledge on them, and testing tools for the sake of testing. For the sake of this testing, we are going to use what there Selenium. Selenium is a product there. So this is like what their total full stack Java developers contains. Full stack Java developer. If you want to become as a full stack Java developer, you are going to understand all the content here. Of course, Durgasoft is conducting full stack Java developer course. Where in full stack Java developers code the Java part is available clearly. What part is available? Java part. No, I will take the responsibility of the Java part. I will take the responsibility of the Java part, and all the remaining technologies might be our colleagues. My colleagues are going to take the classes for what they're all the remaining technologies. Almost all. Oracle for one faculty, Basic UI another faculty, React.js is another faculty, Linux, AWS, DevOps one faculty, testing tools is what there some other faculty. No. So different trainers are available. In this overall full stack Java development course now, 6 or 7 faculty members are involving, but major part I will take the responsibility. In the full stack Java development, 70% of the syllabus is what their Java syllabus only. That 70% of the syllabus I will take the responsibility. Myself is a person for what their Java development. Sir, are you getting it or not? What is the meaning of this full stack Java development? All the points here. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now understand it after understanding this content here. So next one is like what there. Observe carefully what advantages we are able to get by attending my classes now. If we choose the courses at Durgasoft, what advantages here we are able to get? That's it. All of you understand it now. Another thing I'm telling there. Only today only we are going to have this kind of discussion here. Tomorrow onwards purely technical. So no, not required to discuss every time the same content here. Tomorrow onwards purely technical concepts only we are going to understand. 1 or 2 classes theoretical. Next after that we'll move on to what their programming part here. Understand it clearly now. Right, sir. Now the very good advantage, the very first advantage what we are providing to all of you is every class is being recorded, including present class, today's class. Every class is being recorded. That every class recordings, videos, support we are giving now. We are going to provide that recordings support to you. Answer my point here. We are using a software to take online classes now, where recording option is available. That recorded videos access we are able to provide to you. Right? How long we are going to provide that recorded videos now? Minimum 1 year of time we are going to provide. But max, how much time we are not aware about it. Minimum 1 year of time. That 1 year of time is going to be calculated from which date now? The last day of your course onwards, it will start 1 year of time. Not from today onwards. Last day of your course. Last day of your course onwards, 1 year of time we can count it now. So definitely the video support we are able to get. Very good video support here we are providing there. Next one is observe carefully. For all my courses, for offline students and online students, we are giving recorded videos. At the same time, materials are also be available. Materials, PDF document. Already I prepared some PDF document that I am able to share directly. When the core Java is going to be started, core Java document we are going to share. And when advanced Java is going to be started, there advanced Java document I am going to start. Depending on the course starting, then documents we are going to provide PDF document for each and every course. Whatever the courses I am taking there, for each and every course I am going to share that PDF document. The document will be available in the form of soft copy and in the form of like what there, a hard copy. Hard copy is a chargeable. We can collect it from office there. They'll take some Xerox cost there. We can get it now. But soft copy we are able to get automatically through the access now. We can download that hard copy material. Sorry, soft copy material we can download it from internet. We are going to provide that access to you. We can download it. No problem. Next one is free access to the classroom notes. Then whatever the notes I'm going to prepare every day, that notes directly we are able to get it. I'll prepare a link to access that notes. I will share that link with you. If you take that link, directly we can access the document. 24/7 we can access. How much my document is demanded now? Actually, not only our students, so many other students, maybe outsiders also they're accessing my document. Even double of our students, double when compared with our students there, double of the people are going to access my notes here continuously. Understand it clearly now. But right, sir. This is a scenario. Free access to the classroom applications. I'll prepare every application in front of you. That application I'm going to copy in the same document so that we can take it as what the reference. Then we can prepare our own applications now. Right, sir. Next one is all applications are live application development. In front of you, I will take the requirements depending on the topic. In front of you, I will type the code. In front of you, I will compile the code. In front of you, I will execute the code. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not. That live application development I'm going to show. I will compile the code. Intentionally will generate some errors. There I will explain that errors now. Intentional I'll generate some exceptions while executing the program. There I will explain that how this exception is coming, how to come out from this exception. In some situations, we are going to learn a subject from errors and exceptions. Definitely, that is a different style of learning process. We can learn the subject by taking errors and by getting exceptions. Through experience, we are able to get knowledge. Yeah, that one also we are going to follow in our classes there. Next one is what there at the end of the courses we are able to get course completion certificate behalf of Durgasoft. Durgasoft will provide some certificate to you. Yes, this student has completed courses at Durgasoft. We are certifying he is good at Java programming language. Like this, we are able to give some certificate that we can show to that interviewers while attending interviews there in the companies. Definitely, we can show that certificate. Right, sir. You can utilize that Durgasoft brand also. But try to understand it now. We are going to provide company drives also. We are inviting companies to come to Durgasoft to conduct that recruitment drives. But still I'm telling there, it's not like job guarantee program, but the point is job ready program. We are going to I'm going to make you to attend for interviews to get jobs in outside. 80% is the success rate in my classes. No need to have any second thought. We will provide good quality, then with that quality we are able to get jobs in outside. Only simple point, if you do hard work then you will get it. If you're not doing hard work you will not get it. But my teaching is common for everybody. My content is common for everybody. Depth content I'm going to talk. Definitely more depth I will cover in my classes now. More and more depth we are going to cover inside our classes here. But how much you are going to receive that, how much you are going to practice that, that's sufficient to get the job now. Only one point I'm telling there. No need to do too much hard work here. Regularly attend the class, practice the class content, that's enough. Regularly attend the class, practice the examples what I'm giving inside the classes. No, that's sufficient to get job in outside. There no need to go for even any other tutorial, any other material. Just classroom notes is sufficient to get the jobs. Inside the classroom notes, I'll prepare theory, I'll provide syntaxes, I'll provide applications, and I'll provide interview questions and answers directly. The classroom notes, whatever the notes I'm going to prepare, that's a Bible for us. That's enough. If you follow that notes, that content, you'll get jobs in outside. No need to have any second thought. Definitely, we are going to see some use cases also for each and every topic. All right, sir. Next one is concepts wise written tests we are going to conduct. Concepts wise written test I'm going to conduct. So part of the job ready program, concepts wise written test we are going to provide there, that we have to appear, that we have to write exam, that we have to go for evaluating yourself, self evaluation. Just conducting exam is my responsibility and providing key sheet for that exam is my responsibility. But how many marks we are getting, how many where we are in that exam, that we have to check yourself here now. Next one is mock interviews. If all of you are interested, I can conduct that mock interviews at the end of the course. I don't have any problem there. Remaining some technical aspects here I'm taking there. Right, sir. What technical things here we are providing there? Working with multiple databases, or maybe working with multiple servers, WebLogic, Wildfly, Glassfisher, Tomcat, working with multiple IDs like what the Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. NetBeans I'm not going to use anyway, but maximum I'm going to use what there? Maximum I'm going to use Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Sure. IntelliJ IDEA is in number one position at present here when compared with Eclipse now. We are going to see development maximum 70 to 80% of the development I'm going to do with IntelliJ IDEA, but definitely each and every topic I'm going to show with Eclipse also. Both the IDs I'm going to use there. No need to worry for it inside our classes now. Up to microservices I'm telling there, not like only code. Up to microservices, both the IDs I'm going to use parallelly. In some situations I'm going to use some editors also. VS code maybe, edit plus maybe, I'm going to use that editors also depending on my requirement. Part of the teaching, depending on my requirement, I'm going to use either of the content here. Part of the course we are able to get what there interview questions also here we are able to get. In the notes itself I'm going to type question and answer like this. I'm going to provide the content. Next one is what there, then what version here we are going to discuss inside the class up to the latest version, up to Java 22nd version. As of now I'm going to talk with you inside the classes now. By completing your course, at the moment when I'm going to complete your course, if Java 23rd version is available, stable version, definitely I will talk about it clearly. I don't have any problem for it. If any new version is coming, it's a matter of one day for me to update myself. Within one day, I can update it and I'm able to give clarity on it. But as of now, we are going to have get awareness on like what there up to 22nd version of the Java we are able to have in our content. Understand it clearly now. Right, so now this is exactly the content here what we provided about this. The next one is what type of batches we are conducting at Durgasoft here. If you understand it, no, four types of Java related batches here we are conducting. Individual courses if you want to take, basic Java, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle and basic UI, complete Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Springboard, microservices, web services, Oracle and basic UI if you want to complete it, and full stack Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Springboard, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. Already given this list of content here in full stack Java. All the concepts here we are going to understand. Right, sir. Now the trending in outside, every company is looking for what course there, full stack Java developers course. But these are just only Durgasoft is giving these are fundamental courses, no. Answer my point here. These basic courses, no. But most of the people are going to join with what there full stack Java only. Everybody is preferring what there full stack Java only. Why? Because every company is looking for full stack Java developer nowadays, no. Right, sir. Now these are the things here what we are having about these courses and all the content here now. Okay, clear? Right, sir. Now this is from my side regarding this content here. So do we have full stack mobile development now? No, no, no. So I'm not in mobile development actually. Just I'm in like what there. Then J2ESC and J2EE technologies only. Then we are not in like what there J2ME. But maybe other trainers are taking this mobile application development content. I think so might be full stack mobile development. Maybe first time I heard what that word. First time I'm listening that word. Full stack mobile development. But of course, full stack Java, full stack .NET, full stack Python. These terminals are very much famous in outside. Okay, sir. Right, sir. Now that's all from my side. Then I want to stop this session here. Then tomorrow onwards, I'm going to talk about it. And before that, what's the point here I'm telling there? I'm going to start core Java directly on tomorrow. See this. This is a core Java syllabus here. What I have given. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will share this document also for you. If you come for the class there, I will share the total document. There are listed the total syllabus of the core Java. Introduction parts here I'm going to start on tomorrow. Steps to prepare first Java application, language fundamentals, patterns, arrays, oops concepts. These numbers are like what their weight is. How much the topic is very, very important. That I have given 100% is important. 100 number of stars, wrapper classes, inner classes, string manipulations, exception handling, multi-threading, IOSIMs, network and RMA. These two are like somewhat outdated topics, but still I can teach for the sake of future reference. When I'm going to start, if I want to start web services topic there, RMA knowledge is required little bit. That's the reason why I'm going to take still these classes here in my classes now. Right, sir. Next one is what there? Collection framework, generics, internationalization, reflection API, annotations, JVM architecture, garbage collections, character and regular expressions. These two are totally outdated. I'm not going to talk about them inside the class, but I can give video support. They are not required. Then better to skip these two concepts here. Nobody is totally outdated. Even Java people also be trying to remove these concepts now in the next versions here. So no to think about them. Java 8, Java 9, sorry, Java 8, Java 9 features and so on and so on and so on and so on up to like what there Java 22 version features we are going to discuss. This is a complete core Java. Inside this core Java here, what inside the introduction, what topics are available here? In the introduction part here, Java history, differences between Java and others, Java features, naming conventions, Java programming format here we are going to discuss there. Sir, got it now? This is the total syllabus here, what I am going to cover in core Java. First of all, I will start core Java content. Slowly we are moving forward. We are going to start what there? Other courses also. And remember one more point I am telling now. How I am going to cover this core Java? That means core Java in the sense, the total full stack Java in the sense. What about your plan? Plan of action is what? If you want to see my plan of action here, now all of you put concentration on this part here. Right. For Java, for my Java, two slots I'm going to take, guys. For Java course, what? How many slots I'm going to take? No, two slots. But at present, only one slot. In the next few days of time, after a few days of time, definitely I'm going to take two slots. 7 to 8:30 is one slot, 8:30 to 10 is another slot. These two slots I'm going to take. Please remember this. In very first day itself, I'm giving the timing and everything clearly. Understand it, no? 7 to 8:30. Next few days of time, I'm going to take, no? Next I will start gradually 8:30 to 10 also, I'm going to start the classes. So for the total Java up to my part, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices. The 6 or 7 courses I'm going to take within these two slots only. 7 to 10 is a timing for it. Within these two slots only, I'm going to take the total core Java. That's it. Observe carefully. Not only core Java, I'm telling that Java part inside the full stack Java. Core Java will start now. When core Java is in the middle, I will start with what there advanced Java. When advanced Java is in middle, by the completion of this core Java, I'll start Spring Framework. When Spring Framework is in middle, when advanced Java is completed, there I will start what there Hibernate. When Hibernate is in middle, when I complete this Spring Framework, there Spring Boot and microservices I will start. When Hibernate is completed, where I'm going to start what there web services. That means for Java, two courses parallelly we have to do. But now initially I'm going to start only core Java. Second slot is not started immediately. After few concepts of the core Java only, I will start what there? Advanced Java. Why? Because at least half of the core Java we have to complete to start advanced Java. Otherwise, you will not understand advanced Java. Understand my point? On the basis of the topics coverage only, I am going to start what there? Advanced Java. So these two slots are my classes. What are the timing there? 7 to 10 is my timing. You should assign the timing for me. 7 to 10. After 10 o'clock, up to night 9 o'clock, batches are going to be start, other courses batches are going to be start. As per our comfort time, we can start our classes here. But Java in the sense, these two start 7 to 10. These are the two timings we have to assign for me. 7 to 8:30, 8:30 to 10. These two slots we have to assign for me. After 10 o'clock, up to night 9 o'clock, other batches like Oracle batches maybe, like what there, UI batches maybe, continuously batches are going to be start every week or every 2 weeks once, new batches are going to be start. There we can join with that other courses also if you're in full stack Java. Depending on our requirement, we can start with the other courses also. But 7 to 10 is what there, my timing clearly. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Right, sir. Now this is a scenario here. What I've given there. Right, sir. Now, right, sir. Then Alok, then I think so. Then I'm not in on-trade actually. Then I'm not going to take any on-trade classes, no. So it may not be possible here developing that application with on-trade, no, not like that. Okay, thank you for question. Right, it's okay, fine. Right, guys. Now this is the information here. Right. Then tomorrow we'll start what there core Java content. Right. Tomorrow we are planning for these technical concepts here. We are going to understand. Right. Right. That's all. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your attending. Thank you, sir. We may leave now. Tomorrow we'll meet. Yeah. Then guys, those who are attending in online, shall we meet on tomorrow? Yes, all of you say yes. Then I'll wind up the session. Any queries or anything else now? Yeah. Thank you, Alok, and thank you, Ashish, Anish. Thank you, Jahara. Okay. Yeah, live questions. Allow just then where you are typing there, there we can directly you can type your question there. Then continuously I'm watching your chart, your questions box, and continuously I'm able to give answers for it. Definitely, you can type your question there. It's a matter of 1 minute to give notice there. Voice may not be possible. Why? Because then 150 members are attending there. If I give that voice there, then my then total then thing is going to be different. So just we can type the question, I can give response for it immediately. Okay, then my class is going to be continued. At the same time, your questions are also be answered continuously. Okay, the max you can type the questions there. I can give answers max. Right, guys? Yeah, sure, no problem. Then better instead of sending that email there, we can type the question there in the questions box. No, immediate response we are able to get. If it is an email, no, maybe by at night only. Why? Because I'm having continuous classes there. So at night only I have to check it, and we have to wait until the night time, right? What is the requirement of? Directly we can type it. The same email question we can type in the questions box. I can give reply for it max. Okay. Anything else, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Right? If all of you say yes, then I will wind up the session now. Yeah, people are asking to me regarding this admission process. They just we can talk with the admin people, guys. They are the details. No, just we can talk with the admin people. Then they will give more further information about this admission process. Yeah, I'm not related to that. Just my responsibility is only teaching the content. So might be courses and fee details and everything we can get from our office admin people there. Better. So between you and me, Java must be available, right? Not like any other content. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, we'll meet there. Thank you. Thanks a lot.